Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to make sketch effect in Photoshop. To start, load your image into a new layer. Now duplicate the image by pressing Ctrl+J or Command+J in Mac. To work non-destructively, select the duplicate layer and go to Image, Adjustments, and Desaturate, or press Shift+Ctrl+U on Windows. This converts the image to grayscale. Now duplicate the desaturated layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Go to Image, Adjustments, Invert, or press Ctrl+I. The image should now look like a negative. Change its blending mode from normal to color dodge. Now go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. This blur works best from 5 to 10. Adjust it according to your image. Now we will add some more details into our sketch. Go to Layer Adjustment panel, select Threshold. Adjust by like this. Go to Layers. On the layer mask of this effect, press Ctrl+Alt to invert the layer. Now select Brush by pressing B. Brush color should be white. Now when or where you brush, you will make the dark layer visible that we just created using Threshold. So you brush where you want to darken the part. If some part was missing, you can again the threshold effect, make a new layer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E, and repeat the steps. Now I will again add a layer, for threshold effect, but this time, we will make it colorful, like I want to use it, for the lips color, and eyes color. So I will again use the threshold 2 times, add threshold effect, adjust it according to lips. Now for the color, use hue and saturation effect, from the layers adjustment, and follow the settings. Invert the mask layer of threshold, by pressing Alt plus Delete. Open Brush tool, and brush the lip area. You can still change the color. For the eyes you will again add a colorful threshold effect. The last step is to add a magic. Make a new layer. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus E. Go to Filter, Sharpen. This will make the sketch more clear, but if you want a more clear sketch, go to the Filter, Camera Raw filter, and increase the sharpening effect. If you liked this tutorial, give it a big thumbs up.